welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a Too Faced product. I'm going to be reviewing this one here called Cinnamon Bear. So we'll look at the packaging. I'll give you guys an up close look at the product, do some swatches, and definitely do a makeup look just to see how the product performs. And as usual, I'll give you my comments and thoughts at the end of the video. So if that interests you, then stick around. All right, let's get started with the video. But right before we start, for those of you who are new, hi, welcome. My name is Norma, and I love doing beauty videos. I love anything that falls under beauty. And so if those are your type of videos, please consider subscribing and definitely give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified of upcoming videos. And for those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much for joining me. I'm glad to see you. Thanks for coming back to another video. So yeah, let's get started then. All right, so I came across this, like many of my other products, through my Instagram feed. And this really caught my eye. One, because it's red. Two, it's a holiday collection. And it seems to be, it says cinnamon, which I love cinnamon. Yeah, and I love their scented products. So with that said, that's what really caught my eye on this little collection here. So yeah, let's look at the packaging. I mean, how adorable is this, right? It's got little cute red gummy bears, the hearts. I mean, the packaging is just so adorable. And it comes with a little makeup pouch and a red liquid lipstick. So let's go ahead and open up the packaging to look at the product. So this is how it looks. Look how cute that is. It's got all these little gummy bears. They're sort of embossed in there. It's plastic, but the little pouch here looks to be sturdy and good quality in my opinion. Yeah, and it's got this little heart here at the end. It says Too Faced. Yeah, how cute is that? All right, and so it comes with an eyeshadow palette and the liquid lipstick. And actually this one, for me, in my opinion, is the star of the show. Let's look at the palette. Look how cute this is. It's embossed, or like 3D image, I should say. Very cute, shiny, cinnamon. It says Cinnamon Bear in it. It does have a little bit of a cinnamon scent. It's very light though. It's not very strong. Don't want to blind you, but there is a little cinnamon bear here at the end here on this corner. Really cute. Nice size mirror. And let me turn this over. So these are the eyeshadows. I did swatch them already so that I can show you guys the swatches. But as you can see, it's very pretty. Nice color story. Colors look nice and rich. And this is the blush here. So let me read the names to you. They're so cute. This one here is called Cereal Milk. This one is Slow Burn, Sweet and Spicy, Chocolate Dipped, Cinnamon Sugar, Red Hot, Pop of Chili, Bear Hug. And the blush is called Cinnamon Bear. How pretty is that? I think it's just perfect for the holidays. And this kit cost me $39 over at toofaced.com website. Shipping was about I want to say about a week. It wasn't that bad. All right, so now let's look at the liquid lipstick. This is really bold. Look how pretty that is. It's so vibrant. I love rich colors like that. So, and it's, look how cute that is. Little gummy bears. And I like this whole gold printing here. It's just so attractive. Let's go ahead and open this and do a swatch. Look how pretty that is. It's really rich. really bold. Actually, this one. It's really intense. And it does smell. It's just very light though. Yeah, it smells good. Yeah, and so this is called Cinnamon Bear. Yeah, so the blush is called Cinnamon Bear and the liquid lips is called Cinnamon Bear. All right, so I'll show you guys some swatches and then I'll go straight into the makeup look. And then at the end, I'll give you my comments, thoughts on what I think about the performance and overall the products. All right, I'll be right back. So I am back with a completed look. Guys, I am loving this palette. It is gorgeous. It's beautiful. The eyeshadows, they're rich, very pigmented, and they blend out very, very nicely. I didn't come across any patchiness, any stubborn spots, nothing. It was just very, very nice to blend out. And I do like that they're buildable, but they're still already rich in color already as they are. Now, as far as the metallics, metallics are gorgeous. I mean, look at this metallic here. It's beautiful. It really stands out. Just make sure you are using a good primer, because a good primer will really help bring these eyeshadows to really pop. So definitely make sure you're using a good primer. Now, as far as the liquid lipstick, I'm loving this red matte opaque liquid lipstick. It's beautiful. Yeah, I'm really liking it. So would I recommend this little kit here? Absolutely. If you don't like scented products, then these might not work out for you. But if you don't mind it, you like them, you're going to love this little kit. It's beautiful. So if those are the type of videos you like, where you get insight and real thoughts and opinions, consider subscribing and click the notification bell so you'll be notified of upcoming videos, and give this video a thumbs up. So thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you in a different video. Bye.